issue.
And Syed Asad Abbas, the BJP very clearly says Karnataka is the trailer. Muslims get 4% reservation out of OBC quota. 4% OBCs, according to the BJP, are being denied their due because Muslim castes, all Muslim castes in Karnataka have been included as OBCs. This, the BJP claims, is against the spirit of Baba Saheb Ambedkar's constitution.
Gaurav Sahab, I have some startling figures to show the duplicity and hypocrisy of the Bharatiya Janata Party. In Gujarat, under the 25 years rule of the Bharatiya Janata Party, even the times when Adarniya Narendra Modi ji was the Chief Minister of Gujarat, for 25 years, Muslims, 22 castes of Muslims absolutely enjoyed reservations under the same OBC quota that we speak about. Not just that, in Madhya Pradesh, even during Shivraj Singh Chauhan government and other governments, 20 years of BJP tenure, Muslim caste, 27 Muslim castes enjoyed the OBC reservation for 20 years. Assam, Manipur, including Uttar Pradesh, under Yogi ji's rule, 2 subcastes enjoy the OBC reservation. The fact is, hypocrisy ki bhi seema hoti hai Tuhin Sahab. When you speak that Congress is doing Muslim appeasement, why are you giving in Uttar Pradesh, Madhya Pradesh and your very own Gujarat? Aap kyun de rahe ho Musalmanon ko?
Okay, you've raised a pertinent point. You do come in because have you heard any leader, anyone saying bekar hai any religious institution or religious place? Church, masjid, girja, gurdwara, mandir, anything bekar hai. How easily in Bharat can any politician get away by saying bekar hai mandir? The BJP says this is the real dog whistle politics. BJP says Hajj House in Ghaziabad is good, Mughal Garden in Agra is good, Kabristan in every district is good, but Ram Temple is bekar. How do you read this? How do you see the BJP's response?
I have visited wonderful mandirs here, especially the Anjaneya temple here in Koramangala in Bangalore, and I have great respect. I personally take offense as an Indian Muslim. I think the leader of the Samajwadi Party must be condemned for his action, and Akhilesh Yadav ji should take a strict action that Lord Sri Ram, that Indians across the world celebrate and respect so much, he needs to apologize unconditionally. Also a point, Gaurav Sahab, the fact is, abhi aap election ka chunav ho raha hai, we are in phase 3 today. Who's doing Hindu-Muslim? Why is Modi ji, BJP leader, so rattled by the International Labour Organization report? 83% of the youth are unemployed today. Farmers agitating, youth are not happy, youth without jobs. Why are they so rattled that they are doing so much Hindu-Muslim? Mangal Sutra, infiltrators, घुसपैठिया, ज़्यादा बच्चे करने वाले. अरे, who's, and isn't it a lie? झूठ बोलो, बार बार झूठ बोलो कि पूरी संपत्ति मुसलमानों को दे देंगे, तुम्हारा सब कुछ लूट के. Come on, यार.